I think it's about time we mounted this puppy to the truck. I've got the mount. I've got what I need over here. Let's see how we do this. I think it's going to involve a trip to Tractor Supply. We'll see what happens.
Early morning, yards are fountain, water spraying like it's climbing a mountain. Grab the shovel, dig the crater, find the pipe, yep, see you later. Cracked in two, no need to stew. We've got a gadget that'll slide right through. It's the Slip Fix Hero, sliding in style. Expands like it's training for a circus trial. Novices love it, stacked by the ton. Open the truck, watch them all run. Maybe it leaks later, maybe not me, but for 5 minutes it feels like a feat. Seasoned techs laugh, that's not the way. Measured cuts, clean glue, pro all the way. But rookies kneel just how they learn from the tube. Brushing on glue like it's lube. Inserting a slip fix into a pipe is enough to get any tech hype. Even the experts, yes, even sprinkle.
Well, I was fighting with that one for a second. You see how this one is well sunk in, this one is not? Figured out a little trick. Let's go ahead and just put that in there. That's it. Now it's free moving, so we got to get the wrench inside of here. This is the last one to mount it to the truck. Might have lost it. That puppy ain't going anywhere. It's not going to hopefully kill my knee. Maybe one day. Now we got to mount the vise. I'm going to have to go out and get a few bolts for that. I got the rest of the bolts from Lowe's. Let's get this done. All right, now we're cooking with fire. I made sure not to mount this thing in a way that this would hit the truck when it's fully closed. As you can see, as I fully close it, it goes right up to this little sign there. It's fully closed. This thing is pretty neat. I can flip the head on it. I'll show you. It'll clip into place by pulling this little thing back here. I can turn it around, and now I have my pipe side on top, so I can lock the backflow in there. If I let these loose, then I can swivel this entire thing to the side and work on it over here if I want to. It's nice. Tailgate still works just fine. Actually, I can work on the thing right here, clamp it right there. It's beautiful. That is an awesome improvement on this vehicle. I'll be able to take apart all of these backflows that have just been sitting on my truck. That's a perfectly good ball valve, so is that. The problem with this one is that it broke right there. Another one over here. The Y strainer is good on it, and I need to take it off. The ball valves are good on it. You take those off. Makes it a lot easier when you got that. I'm ready to go. I definitely did all of that using Ryobi tools because they work.